Welcome to Vitamin Simple, and I'm very excited to present my new book to you, My Hopscotch Journey, a Pari Tale. It's an exciting book with lots of learning about the culture, the diversities in India, about festivities, through storytelling, crafts, and activities. So let's dive in with Pari as she takes a fun quest across India, and let's learn more about the story and the activities that go with it. This story is about a young girl, Pari, who who gets this adventure box she calls it her sunshine box from her, and he sends it every year for her to explore new cultures, new experiences. But the story is very beautiful as it weaves through an adventure that Pari goes through for the day. But it also has small little poetries or small little verses for the kids to sing along. So this is when she's waking up in the morning, and she's got a morning wake-up song every day. And then she gets ready to go on to the adventure. When she opens the sunshine box, she finds a map of India. Going to go across an hopscotch journey across India, and she's going to witness some festivities and cultural diversities as she goes across India. And that's the book about Makar Sankranti, Thanksgiving to the sun, and how differently it's celebrated through the country. As the adventure story begins, and it's a fun finger play hopscotch. So the kids hopscotch on the map to the colored state and tap on it 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. And when they tap on it 3 times, another world, another place with the festivities in that city or that state. So in this case, in West Bengal, they're going to the Ganga Sagar Mela, and each experience that they learn and read about is also has a cultural experience craft. You tap on it 3 times and the new window will open. In this, Pari goes to Punjab, where she's witnessing the kept at minimum, trying to make it more of an experience, that festival. On this page we have about the Bhangra dance, where it teaches kids one basic way to do Bhangra in a very kid-friendly way. So festival has its experience craft base. So this is making the Lohri bonfire and the coloring activity. Hopscotch to the south from the north and tap on it 3 times to go to the state of Tamil Nadu. And this is about the Pongal festival, where Pari is welcomed by a farmer and his family, who then explains to Pari all about Pongal, the 4 days of Pongal, in a very simplistic manner, explaining what each day signifies. And then there is an experience craft to understand each one of the 4 days through very simple guided crafts. And Pari began hopscotch, and then you tap on it 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. And she's back in Mumbai. Her magical journey is ending, because now she's back to her hometown. She's saying bye to the angel, and then she joins her grandmother, who's made some sesame jaggery ladus, and they go to the temple. And then they say Dil Gud Gya Gord Gord Bola, meaning accepting sweet joys and speaks sweet words. So it's a very culturally enriching book. It goes through different states of the country, explaining different parts and different types of sweets that are offered at the end of every festivity. Now we're in Maharashtra and Gujarat, where kite flying is a very big part of the Makar Sankranti celebration. So there's a game to do, I Spy Kites. So you can do a small game which says, I spy with my 2 little eyes a superhero kite, and the kid finds the kite. Now why this kite flying, and then the 2 reasons why kite flying was introduced for the Makar Sankranti festival. And then she's pondering about all the different festivities that she witnessed today. And the diversity and the unity, which is a true sense of India. Happy Makar Sankranti, Lohri and Pongal. It's got a small stencil to color. So that's pretty much the end of the story. And then we have a lot of activities and crafts that follow, different things that are related to Makar Sankranti as a part of the book, which are also culturally enriching. And